there's your third setting right there. I was hoping that's a cat, not a skunk, but yeah. So that's your third setting right there. What makes this light even cooler is, you think we're done? No way. This thing has a tack light button built into the back of the flashlight. We're going to show you the difference. So we're not changing where we're standing or anything else like that. So we're going to turn that on, give it a quick double tap. Look at that baby light. Hey, what we have here is the latest and greatest from Olight, and that is their Baton 4 Pro flashlight. This thing doubles as a tack light. It's got the side button on it, and it actually has a rear button, also referred to as a tack light. What cool stuff will this thing do? Well, stick around and we'll find out. All right, let's go over what comes in the box. Of course, you have your quick start guide. You have your manual for your full directions, and it comes in several languages. You have your Baton 4 Pro. It does have a magnetic base here at the end, as well as a dual position clip, multifunction clip. You have your metal bracket with a 3M sticky on it. You have a spare sticky pad. This is what makes Olight different than others. Check this out. What is that? That is a wireless charger for your light. Most companies, they just give you your standard USB to USB-C to use. These guys stepped it up. Look at that. They actually included the wireless charger, making charging super easy. So there's what you get in the box. Let's get on to the rest of the video. All right, everybody, check it out, check it out. There you go. There is your first setting. That is going to be low. That is going to be your second setting. That is going to be your medium setting right there. So it reaches out, but not quite. Oh, there's a cat. All right, now, there's your third setting right there. I was hoping that's a cat, not a skunk, but yeah. So that's your third setting right there. What makes this light even cooler is, you think we're done? No way. This thing has a tack light button built into the back of the flashlight. We're going to show you the difference. So we're not changing where we're standing or anything else like that. So we're going to turn that on, give it a quick double tap. Look at that baby light. Hi, kitty. Hey. Meow. Hi. Look at that. Look how that shines out there. That is crazy insane. That is cool. The winner on this one is definitely the tack. Look at that. That is insanely bright. I thought this only had 3 settings. This thing actually has 4 settings. So this light seriously is impressed me. Follow the link in the description below. They offer all kinds of stuff. They even make what they call an O-sight for your more of your pew-pew related items. Well, you know what? Let's get back in the house and we'll go over all that here in a second. All right, here is a good look at Olight's Baton 4 Pro. Olight's website say that you can access all 5, yes, 5 brightness levels from what they are calling the side switch right here. I could only access 4. The reason you only was because of this. See how low that is? That is 1 lumen. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. See? So there are actually 4, not 3 illumination levels with the side switch. But to access that one, see? There's your lowest, right? But that's not it. You have to turn it off, push and hold. There's your 1 lumen. So I don't know how they claim that you can hit all 5 levels from the side switch. Oh, how durable is it? Oh, it didn't break. So you do have that moonlight function as well. So they say this will last 100 days on this level right here. Kind of a cool looking light, isn't it? aluminum, water resistant, not waterproof. It does have a tack switch in the back. Boom. That is going to take you to your high setting. Double tap it, and that is your ultra. Here's the breakdown of the lumens and what Olight is saying you can expect out of the battery. Moonlight, again, is what I said. 1 lumen is supposed to be up to 100 days. Low is 15 lumen, and that is supposed to be good for up to 100 hours. Then you go to your medium, which is 120 lumens. Now here's where you're going to start hitting the battery pretty good. It drops to 16 hours. High, which is 600 lumens, you're even going to take a bigger hit, and this is pretty big. 20 minutes on high, and that is only 600 lumens. So when you crank this thing up the turbo at 16, you're probably going to get about maybe 8 minutes of battery life out of this. Now, again, it is set up to be magnetically charged, but unlike a lot of flashlights, this twists to reveal a USB-C charging port. That is pretty cool. So I'm assuming that's probably why it's only water resistant. It does have a pretty decent sized belt clip on it. It's well built from what I can tell, and it's got a little level right there. So that's my battery level right there already. It's down 2 bars. I've been playing with this flashlight for about 10 minutes. It was fully charged, and you can tell it's down to about 1/4 of the battery life on this thing. So again, pretty cool little light. Check them out. Be sure to check them out by following the direct link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.